This is everybody running around.
Can I have that?
I'm recording, guys, just so you know.
Bring it to Grandpa. Here we go. Wally, we're gonna bring it to me, so. Come here, let me see it. Can I have it? Caden. Caden. Hello. Hello. Bring it in. It's for me.
Whoa!
Here he comes. Here he comes. Here, come on.
Look at the big boy walking all over the place.
Come here, bud.
Oh, and he's down.
Thank you.
Don't record me on that.
I'm gonna get ya.
Who said that?
Arrgh. They both did. Hey, Caden.
How can you write all the way in here? Take a break?
Take a break. Okay, so who do you guys have in your hands right now? Who's that, Bri? Who is that?
Take a break.
Is that Woody?
Don't push him out of the way, honey. Don't push him out of the way like that. Look at her doing that.
Hi, everybody.
Come here, bud. She should push you down. Oopsie.
You went down anyway.
You shouldn't push your brother down.
Where are you going? Uh-oh, what happened? Did you trip on that? Whoa, watch the plant, guys. Over here, Caden. Look what I got for you.
Watch Caden, please, guys.
Look what I got for you, Caden.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on over here, you. You gotta play. You gotta run. Come on. Wait a minute. He's walking all the way over here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello, boy. Come on over here. Come on over here.
I know.
Come on. Got the rest of the way.
Walking, and we can't
Yeah, boy. Come on.
What?
No, you gotta stand up. You wanna play this
I
game.
can put it on YouTube, though.
You gotta stand up. You wanna play this game. Oh, careful, honey. You all right? Up. Here we go. He's good.
Where'd Caden go?
Hold on.
There you are. Hi, Caden. Caden, you want this? Oh, thank you, buddy.